guys, welcome to our channel My Cooking Canvas. Today I'm gonna teach you a recycle craft, how to make a recycle planter at home.
Things you need: tin box, enamel paint, fresh leaves, fabrical colors, paintbrush, hand gloves and water. Let's wet the globes and paint the tin with enamel paint. So here I am using orange color. Now do the second coating. After the second coating, let it dry for 12 hours. Now we're gonna do some design patterns on the tin box. Here I have taken fabrical colors, green and yellow and fresh leaves. So here I'm gonna share some easy tips how to do the pattern.
Hello again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the craft session. Please like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates. And do share your feedback at the comment section. Thank you.